Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Fahim Mushtaq. Today we are going to discuss the addressing in TCP/IP protocol layer. Four levels of addresses are used in internet employing the TCP/IP protocol, which involves the physical, logical, port, and specific addressing. The topic that covered in this section involve physical addresses, logical addresses, port addresses, and specific addresses. As we discussed in previous lecture, we have logical communication between pair of layers in the model. Any communication that involves two parties need two addresses, source address and destination address. Although it looks as if we need 5 pair of addresses, one pair per layer, we normally have only 4 because the physical layer does not need addresses. The unit of data exchange at physical layer is a bit, which definitely cannot have an address. Figures show that there is a relationship between the layer, the addresses used in that layer, and the packet name at that layer. At application layer, we normally use the name to define the site that provides services such as someone.com. If any email address, as we know that fahim@gmail.com. At the transport layer, addresses are called port number, and these define the application layer program at source and destination. Port number are local addresses that distinguish between several programs running at the same time. At the network layer, the addresses are global, with the whole internet as the scope. A network layer addresses uniquely define the connection of a device to the internet. The link layer addresses, sometimes called MAC addresses, are locally defined addresses, each of which define a specific host or router in a network, LAN or WAN. For the detailed discussion of the addresses, we will move forward in our next video where we discuss the detailed addresses of the TCP/IP protocol layer suite. Thank you so much. This is the today lecture. Keep watching our channel for the further video regarding the computer network.